Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's have fun. How's it going? This is gonna be great. Bye bye. Hooray! Hey guys, and today we're gonna do a challenge with my friend Daddy. You've probably seen this challenge. It's called Match the Item in the Box. Alright, Dad, let's get started. Dad, since you're old, I'm gonna let you go first. Sorry, Daddy, but we got another challenge coming up. This challenge is called Guess the Drink, and we're gonna have to guess what drink it is at the end, and we both get to try it. So, let's get started. Finally. Okay, come on. Come on. Mister. Now we're gonna guess. I tasted the first one and I think it was sour, so I'm gonna go with a sour drink.
This one, milk, I think.
I think it's chocolate milk for sure.
Huh?
I think it's apple juice. That's not apple juice. No way she did that to us. Now we're gonna put our hand in the hole and see what we can feel. We can go rest. It stinks. I'm only putting a finger in here. It smells bad. It smells really bad. I might need a clip. Oh, ew. Come on.
Alright, be careful because this one kind of moves a little bit.
Oh no, carrots!
I'm scared. What was that? Oh.
Potatoes.
It does smell like potato, so I'm with him.
Potatoes?
Big little.
Come around and come see.
Oh, baby carrot. First to Daddy.
Oh. What is this?
Ravioli.
Let me see. Oh, it's ravioli.
not Daddy. Marshmallows.
Yep. That's all we have for today. But we're about to go finish these marshmallows. Bye-bye.
Bloopers!
This challenge is guess the drink, and we're both going to get the guess the drink and guess the, this challenge is called guess. Can't taste anything. Hey guys, and thank you for watching my video. As always, like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I think you get the point, so bye bye.